Hi, it's Regina from Eat Travel Life, and today we are making pancake sausage muffins. Let's go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients that you are going to need. These are an on-the-go pancake. So I'm going to use gloves for my hands because this is going to get a little bit messy. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. We are going to roll out about 12 1-inch sausage balls, and I'm using a baking sheet with a grate on top so that any grease will go down to the bottom. I'm making breakfast this morning, so we're making these and we're going to make bacon. So this is going to be a half batch that I'm making for this. So go ahead and roll them out and give them a little bit of space. They are going to bake up, and we're going to want them to be at 165 degrees Fahrenheit on the inside when they are done. So we're going to roll them up, and we've got the oven preheating at 400 degrees. We're using a breakfast type sausage, not using just a pork sausage that's like what you would use to make spaghetti. We're not using that kind. A breakfast sausage works best. But you do what you like best. If you want it spicy or you just want it mild. So I'm just taking a little bit and rolling it up. So let's go ahead and grab our ingredients to make our pancakes. Now you can use your own pancake mix if you want. I am going to use my my buttermilk pancake recipe. I'll post it up above here, and we're doing a half a batch, so we're only doing half of a batch of the pancakes. And you can see there that I'm doing bacon and sausage on the tray. So here I'm just putting together all the ingredients to make the pancake batter, and we are going to mix this all together and let it set for a little bit. So I'm doing this part while the sausage is cooking in the oven, so while it's baking in the oven. And I'm going to let the batter sit because then it'll let all the bubbles come up and everything, and um, be ready for when the sausages are done to keep breakfast moving. Here are the sausage all cooked up and delicious. I'm going to put those in a bowl so I can move them over to the muffin tin, because we're going to need a muffin tin, and you are going to want to grease this muffin tin. I used um, olive oil. That is not enough. You're going to want to butter these like you would for making muffins, because my pancakes kind of stuck because I didn't do what I normally do, was taking the paper from the butter dish, from the new stick of butter, and going around all the muffin tins. So yeah, do that instead. So we're just placing a sausage ball in each one of the muffin tins, and I am going to transfer the pancake batter over to a pitcher because it's easier to pour in. And you want to get them covered a little bit, but not all the way up to the top, because they will puff up. We don't want them to be puffy like a muffin over the top of the muffin tray itself. So just covering the sausage is perfect. And just repeat this for all the muffins. And if you run out of batter, you can just double up some of the sausages. This is what they will look like all filled. And let's go ahead and put them in the oven. You want to bake them until the toothpick comes out clean. Check about at 15-20 minutes. And this is them partially done, and then this is them done. And you can see I took a toothpick just to make sure that they came out clean, and they do. It lets me know that the pancake is done. And I had a little trouble getting them out, like I said, and I used a knife and went around each one of them to pry them up carefully to get them out of there. And when they popped out, they were kind of steamy. You can see the sausage there, and this is what they look like. You can drizzle them with your syrup, or you can just get a little cup and dip them in. That's all you need to do. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have made pancake muffins before. Have a wonderful day.